Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create a table in Canva. As you can see, I am into Canva and I have selected a blank template, right? Here we are going to add a table, so we are going to go to the element section in the left side, and here we are going to search for table. Okay, so we can select this one or that one, whatever we like. You can simply increase or decrease the size of table, right, from the corner edges or from the side edges. You can simply increase or decrease the column size, right? You can also change the color to like green, and this one to blue, and this one to like yellow. And you can also start typing over here, right, whatever the text you want. For example, I just want to write name. We can increase the font size, we can change the font type, right? And this is how you can simply create a table in Canva. Apart from that, if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for learning Canva. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.